Hi, and welcome to this short video where I'll be teaching you how to use lot sizes in Hector, the online asset management application. The first thing you need to know is that lot sizes are to be used when you manage items of low value in high quantities. Nuts, screws, bolts come to mind, but you can also use lot sizes to manage cables, cartridges, and anything else that's non-serialized. So, how do you create lot sizes? Well, I'm glad you asked. Let's head over to the category section and we'll create a category called screws. We'll give it a name, a code to find it in the application, and we'll be turning on lot sizes. We can also choose to turn on lot size fusion if we want assets to be merged together when they come back into stock. For example, if you had cables that you put into a single box in your stock room, then you would turn on lot sizes to represent the total amount that you have in stock. Next, we'll hit save and create an item. The item will allow us to further categorize our screws. So let's create a part and we'll choose, for example, our default stock room, and then we're going to come in and enter some information. So we're going to say, for example, that our screw will specify the length, diameter, and color. So let's do gold screw, 2 inches and 1/2 inches diameter. That's about all we need to fill in. We could come in and specify a price per unit. So for example, when we buy a box, we might buy our box $10 or €10, and then we can hit save. Lastly, we're going to come out and create our very first inventory for these screws that we just created in our example. So we're going to add an asset. And what I'm going to be looking to do here is add one box of 250 screws into my inventory. So I'm going to come in the details section, review everything that's here, everything looks good, and I'm going to specify that I have one box, so one quantity of 250, and I'm going to hit save. And what that's going to do is that's going to take me to the asset card, and I've now have within my inventory a box of 250 screws. So there you have it. That's how you use lot sizes in Hector. Stay tuned for other great videos. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and I want to wish you an excellent day on your asset management journey. Take care. See you guys later.